Let us learn the fly stitch. It's a V-shaped stitch, mostly used for leaves and ferns. First, I'll show you how to make a single fly stitch. Bring your needle up from point 1 and insert it down at point 2. Don't pull it all the way through. Leave a loop of thread like this. Now bring the needle up at point 3, which is a bit below, and in between points 1 and 2. Pull the needle through. This creates a V-shape. To lock this V-shape, insert your needle down at point 4, just below the V. And that's it. This locks the stitch. This is how you create a fern stitch, using the same method. It's very easy. Now I'll show you how to do the fern stitch on an actual fern pattern. Start by bringing your needle up from one side of the fern and down on the other. Leave a little bit of thread and bring your needle up from below to catch that loop. Now move to the next fern segment and repeat the same process. It's really easy. And once done, it looks very pretty. On the back side, the stitch looks something like this. Now let us learn how to do a leaf with fern stitch. First, from the tip of the leaf, we'll make one long straight stitch down the center. Now bring your needle up on one side of that straight stitch and begin your fly stitch. Insert your needle down on the other side of the center stitch. Leave a thread loop and bring the needle back up from the end of the straight stitch like this. Make sure the thread stays on both sides of the needle while pulling through, and that creates your V-shape. Now lock this V-shape below, just like before. Continue doing the same along the length of the leaf, adjusting the size and shape as needed. This technique makes the leaf look very realistic, and it's honestly one of my favorite stitches for leaves. So this is how it looks once it's complete. You try it too. Happy embroidering!